in the endless silence of the night, where the light of hundreds of billions of stars is not enough to dispel the vast darkness. The universe seems to whisper to humanity, "You are not alone." Since the time we first gazed at the sky, humans have dreamed of other worlds, places that might harbor life, intelligence, or even civilizations millions of years more advanced than us. Yet amid the vast expanse of space, among the hazy bands of light and endless dark spots, that question continues to echo. Are we alone in the galaxy? Perhaps, before we look far into parallel universes, it's time to look back at the Milky Way, the giant spiral home that holds both life and mystery. In 2020, a team of scientists from the University of Nottingham surprised the world by publishing a study with a bold hypothesis. In the Milky Way, there may be up to 36 intelligent civilizations attempting to communicate with us. That number, 36, did not come from literary inspiration or fanciful imagination. It came from mathematics, from estimates based on the assumption that intelligent life is not a miracle unique to Earth. Unlike the classic Drake equation, which allows for such a wide range of possibilities that it yields numbers from nearly zero to hundreds of thousands of civilizations. The Nottingham model is based on a biological constraint. If a planet has Earth-like conditions, and if intelligent life is a natural outcome of biological evolution, that would arise in roughly the same time it took us to form, about 5 billion years. The result, around 36 civilizations could be sending signals right now. They might be using radio waves, or they might be searching just like we are. Could it be that we're not yet advanced enough to tune in to them? Or the coldest possibility, we are truly the first to listen in a universe that has never spoken? Discovered in 2017 by astronomers using the ESO Observatory in Chile, Ross 128b immediately drew attention. Not because it was brilliant or emitted strange signals, but because it was so calm, it was unusual. Just 11 light-years away, this planet orbits Ross 128, a gentle red dwarf, the second closest to Earth after the Proxima Centauri system. Ross 128b has a mass roughly equal to Earth and lies within the zone where liquid water could exist, a prerequisite for life as we know it. Unlike the violent stars we often see, Ross 128 emits very little harmful radiation. This is a stable, quiet environment with no violent flares. A rarity in a universe full of turbulence. The light from Ross 128, a red dwarf, is faint and deep red like an eternal sunset. It's not strong enough to shine like our sun, so the planet is bathed in a soft red glow, as if the entire world is perpetually caught in endless twilight. The sky is not blue due to the thick atmosphere filled with molecules that refract red light. The wind doesn't howl but whispers, flowing through crystal canyons, creating a sound like a distant choir. The whole planet resembles a strange garden, both vibrant and meditative. The beings on Ross 128b are unlike humans. They have no eyes, nose, or flesh like ours. Their bodies can slowly shift shape, stretching, curling, splitting, and merging again, like performing a floating dance in the air. They don't need to walk, they float, thanks to the planet's weak magnetic field and low gravity, as if swimming through thin space. They don't speak, they don't write. Their language is based on frequency resonance and color. Each emotion or thought is a combination of light, vibrations, and form. When speaking, they emit a sequence of oscillations from their bodies, sounds as soft as crystal chimes in the wind, blending into the electromagnetic field around them. Their communication is not fast, but it is profound, because one resonance can contain thousands of layers of meaning. There is no noise, no clamor, just a meditative world watching humanity from afar, wondering whether Earth is ready to understand the beauty of silence. Also discovered in 2017, TRAPPIST-1, a name that evokes the image of a star system teeming with planets, like an unexplored Garden of Eden. This star system, located about 40 light-years away, is home to 7 rocky planets, all orbiting a faint red dwarf star, TRAPPIST-1. Among them, TRAPPIST-1e stands out like a precious gem among its smaller sibling planets. This planet is close in size to Earth and lies within the habitable zone, the region where liquid water could exist, offering a chance for life as we know it. But TRAPPIST-1e draws attention not just because of its physical characteristics. True to the name of the system, the planets in TRAPPIST-1 are extremely compact, with worlds that almost mirror one another in tight space. The sky on TRAPPIST-1e is not blue, but a deep orange-red, due to the dim light from its parent star, TRAPPIST-1. The planet is covered by a thick atmosphere, possibly rich in methane and other compounds, giving transmitted light an amber hue. The surface is filled with large cracks like giant fractures in Earth's crust, where liquid water and magma could interact in fascinating ways. While life may exist here, the climate conditions are not always ideal. The ground may be barren with vast rocky plains interspersed with forests of bioluminescent vegetation that absorb energy from the faint parent star. If intelligent life exists on TRAPPIST-1e, they may have evolved under harsh conditions, competing for survival with the existence of other planets in the system. Imagine that beings on TRAPPIST-1e might resemble hard-shelled creatures. Rather than soft bodies, they may have thick protective shells like snails, turtles, or even resembling small rocks. These creatures would be covered by a hard shell, protecting them from harsh conditions like weak radiation and drastic temperature changes. To survive in the low-light environment, these creatures might be bioluminescent, glowing in cycles, each flash a form of communication or a way to draw attention in a dark world. These light signals could convey not just speech, but also feelings, thoughts, or complex information about their surroundings. The TRAPPIST-1 system is not only full of promise, but also a potential answer to the mysteries of life in the universe. When we look at the Milky Way, a vast galaxy stretching across space, NASA estimates that up to 300 million planets in this region could harbor life, an unimaginable number. This is a strong affirmation that extraterrestrial life is not a distant dream, but a real possibility. With trillions of galaxies, there could be up to 2 trillion different civilizations. This number compels us to reconsider humanity's place in this vast universe. Humanity might be just a speck of consciousness drifting in the infinite ocean of cosmic intelligence. Each civilization may have developed along completely different paths, perhaps with technologies far beyond our imagination. And maybe some have already found ways to communicate that we cannot yet comprehend. Are we merely naive beings just scratching the surface of a universe full of knowledge and creativity? Could there be a civilization watching us from afar, observing us as an experiment? These questions are not just scientific curiosities, but a call to explore, a longing to reach beyond our limits and uncover the endless mysteries of the universe. Every time we gaze up at the sky and admire the distant stars, the eternal question of life beyond Earth echoes once again in our minds. Are we alone in the galaxy? Though we have no definitive answer yet, the journey of discovery has only just begun, and it leads us on an endless adventure, where each new revelation sparks another question. The universe is waiting for our answer, and perhaps one day it will answer back.